Hello friends. Welcome back to my DIY Arts and Crafts channel, Imagination Islands, the go-to destination for all things creative. I hope you all are doing well, and I am doing well too. Let's get started. Chhath Puja is a major traditional festival, especially in the Indian state of Bihar. Lord Surya, the sun god, is worshipped in this festival. After this step, I'll let the color dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I will work with air-dry clay foam clay. Before that, I will mix brown, peach, and a small amount of yellow clay properly. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell icon to stay tuned for exciting upcoming videos and helpful content on my YouTube channel. First, I'll make a small clay winnowing fan. Once the winnowing fan is ready, I will create small fruits in different shapes and place them on top of the color. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell icon to stay tuned for exciting upcoming videos and helpful content on my YouTube channel. Along with that, I will also make some flowers. I forgot to mention something. The items made with this clay don't need to be glued separately, as they stick together on their own. Also, this clay is very lightweight. In this festival, the special prasad is Thekuya, which is a sweet made from flour, sugar, coconut, and ghee. I am also trying to make this sweet through a DIY process and will show you how. Now, it seems that the color from my previous work has dried. Actually, this is a temple, so now I will decorate the borders with lace. While talking, I have also completed making the entire DIY. After decorating, I made Lord Surya, the sun god, with clay and enhanced it with markers and colors to make it more prominent. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your beautiful creations with us. Until next time, stay inspired and keep crafting. Bye bye.